Well, my mother came to this country in 1923. My grandfather had left them 9 years before, which was typical. You know, he was going to make his way and then send for them. But World War I intervened, and my grandmother had a very rough time for 9 years. But during that time, there was a revolution, and Jews had a much better life. You know, they didn't have to worry about pogroms anymore. And at one time, the communists gathered together the pogromchiks, the ones who had tortured them, and they told the Jews in my grandmother's town, tell us which ones hurt you, what did they do? And my grandmother said she was afraid, because she was afraid this wouldn't last. But she had to point out the ones, and by the way, my mother in 1905 was born under the bed, because there was a pogrom, and the beds were high, and my grandmother was giving birth, so she climbed under the bed to give birth, and that's where my mother was born.